Hey guys! In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 welding machines available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered the quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best welding machines. The 5th product on our list is the DEKOPRO 110-220 volt. Are you looking for a versatile machine that will give you a professional welding finish and satisfy your soldering needs? Consider the DEKOPRO 110 and 220 volt welding machine. This unit can weld stainless steel, mild steel, cast iron, aluminum, and other metals using insulated gate bipolar transistor advanced inverter technology to provide efficient and precise welding and soldering results. Unlike other welding machines with less efficient transformers, the inverter in this unit contributes to its lightweight and allows you to control the arc's quality and accuracy. However, it cannot handle a large load, so may limit your working speed. The high-performance fan motor promotes instant cooling and has an asynchronous control system that protects the inverter's components. This welding machine's voltage automatically adjusts the current between 110 and 220 volts to get a more stable output while preventing overloads. The high-quality body, solid frame, and compact design make this welding machine ideal for daily professional work and DIY use. The carrying handle makes it easy to transport the machine wherever you need it. Furthermore, the DEKOPRO welding machine uses high-efficiency and low-cost cutting technology, making it perfect for plumbing work, strict construction work, site work, high-quality welding and thin material precision welding, metal processing, and automobile manufacturing. This unit's other features include a current meter, power indicator light, overheating indicator, welding current adjustment knob, positive and a negative output terminal for connecting earth clamp and electrode holder respectively. There's also a high-efficiency radiator, rear vent, power input and switch, and a non-slip base. Its pros are: it is energy efficient, it has a durable and sturdy design, and it adjusts and stabilizes the current. However, it does not work as effectively on the 110 volt setting. The DEKOPRO 110-220 volt welding machine is perfect for beginners and professionals looking for a high-efficiency and low-cost cutting unit for their welding needs. Up next in 4th place is the Forney Easy Weld. Just as the name signifies, this welding machine is easy to use. The Forney Easy Weld machine is considered one of the best metal inert gas welding machines for first-timers and avid welders to use for their DIY projects, general metal fabrication, maintenance repair, and automotive work. Its lightweight and portable size allow you to carry and use this unit anywhere without stress. There is a regulator with which you can control the voltage to get the perfect welding result. This welding machine has a 30% duty cycle at 90 amps and uses a 0.3-inch flux wire whose feed speed you can control so that you can get a perfect and clean finish weld. Using a maximum output of 140 amps, you can effortlessly weld 1/4 inch mild steel. The welder features an 8-foot MIG gun, 8-foot ground clamp, integrated handle with touch wrap, and a 20 to 15 amp adapter. Allowing for gasless and flux core welding only, you can weld straight from the box without the need to buy expensive gas canisters. The Forney Easy Weld machine is covered with a rigid metal case that enables it to withstand the stress of everyday use without wear or tear, and it prevents convection as well as overheating, even if used for a long time. The body is big enough to accommodate a 2 to 10 pound roll of wire. This product comes with a 1-year warranty. Note that not all welding accessories are compatible with this unit. Hence, the recommended accessories include contact tips 60-170 to 60-172, welding nozzles 85-336 and 85-337, anti-splatter spray 37030 and nozzle gel 37031. Its pros are: it is easy to use, it is lightweight and portable, and it works out of the box. However, its cons are: it is not ideal for a heavy workload, and it doesn't have the best wire output speed. The Forney Easy Weld machine is ideal for first-time welders looking for a product that can operate easily and give reliable results. Still haven't found a welding machine that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The third product on our list is the YESWELDER Digital. The YESWELDER Digital welding machine is a powerful, multifunctional machine capable of carrying out TIG welding, MIG welding, flux, and stick welding. It uses insulated gate bipolar transistor advanced inverter technology to stabilize the arc force and provide the current's high power. Its inbuilt hot start feature makes arc starting easy. This unit offers dual voltage settings at 110 and 220 volts and provides a duty cycle of 60% at a maximum amperage of 200 amps. Using synergic control, it automatically changes the voltage and wire feeding speed, and you can adjust the amperage or choose different thicknesses. Also, with its single button selection design, you get to choose between different welding modes to meet different welding requirements. The 2T control is ideal for spot welding and simple work that won't take too much time, while the 4T is for continuous, long-term welding. Weighing only 33 pounds, you can carry the machine anywhere. You don't have to worry about overcurrent, overheating, or overvoltage problems because the automatic protection function keeps everything in check. Additionally, there is a digital display on this welding machine that shows different values. This unit's other features are a value knob and control buttons for the gas check, manual wire feed, and welding method. Lastly, the package includes a 10-inch MIG gun, electrode holder, earth clamp, gas hose, contact tips, adapter, hammer, and a brush. Its pros are: it can be switched between short and long-term welding modes. It can handle 2 and 10-pound rolls of wire, and it has automatic control settings. However, it is not particularly durable. The YESWELDER Digital welding machine is ideal for anyone who doesn't want to spend money buying separate welding machines. The second product on our list is the Hobart 500-559. This 5-position voltage welding machine by Hobart gives you great control for smooth arc transition on all welding thicknesses. The multiple voltage settings enables you to set the current that fits your welding requirement and gives you a high level of precision during the job. This welding machine operates on a standard household current of 115 volts and is multifunctional so that you can use it for your household repairs, DIY projects, farm projects, or auto body repair. It can weld 24-gauge steel with a 1/4 inch thickness and has a duty cycle of 20% at 90 amps. However, if you increase the amperage to 140, then the duty cycle is also increased to 25%. Using the MIG function, this machine can weld thin materials such as stainless steel, steel, aluminum, etc. The flux core function, on the other hand, makes this ideal for welding thick stainless steel materials. This unit has an industrial cast aluminum wire drive system that is reliable and dampens vibrations to reduce noise when working. Although it is not exactly lightweight, you can transport it from one place to another without hassle. This product comes with a detailed weld setup guide that helps you make the proper adjustments according to your welding requirement and a 5-year warranty for your peace of mind. Its pros are: it has a 5-position voltage control, it has a sturdy casing, and it has a long-lasting cast aluminum drive system. However, its cons are: it cannot operate on a generator, and it is not the most portable option. The Hobart 500-559 welding machine is perfect for hobbyists and professionals looking for a welding machine with highly customizable and versatile features. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top welding machine is the Weldpro 200 amp. The Weldpro 200 amp welding machine is a 3-in-1 multifunction machine that is capable of MIG, lift TIG, and stick welding. Like others on this list, it uses insulated gate bipolar transistor inverter technology to eliminate the need for a transformer, making this unit lightweight for easy transportation. Also, the inverter provides a high current, making it capable of handling different welding jobs at a maximum output of 200 amps. There are 2T and 4T modes on this machine for short or spot welding and long continuous welding. This welding machine can handle any welding job you throw at it, especially when used with the optional spool gun in the MIG mode. The true lift TIG welding function allows you to braze dissimilar metals using the TIG brazing technique. This unit has a 30% duty cycle at 200 amps. With its dual display, you can easily set the amperage and wire speed for repeated welds. Furthermore, the overload and high temperature protection feature on this unit ensures your safety and protects the machine from being damaged. Finally, this package includes a 13 feet WP17 TIG torch and MIG torch, an electrode holder, earth clamp, a flow meter, power adapter, drive rollers, 2 contact tips, and a gas hose. Its pros are: it has a dual digital display, it features overheat and overload protection, and it has an increased duty cycle. However, you do have to pay for the high quality. The Weldpro 200 amp welding machine is ideal for anyone who needs a highly efficient welding machine for their home or professional projects. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.